Hi guys! Today we're going to show you how you can pay your vendors' commissions automatically using the integration between our plugins, YITH WooCommerce Multi Vendor Marketplace and YITH Stripe Connect for WooCommerce. Before we get into it, let me remind you, of course, to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell down below so that you know every time we have a new video for you. Now, let's get to it. With our YITH WooCommerce Multi Vendor Marketplace plugin, you can pay commissions to vendors manually or automatically. Commissions can be paid manually if, let's say, I, the admin, decide to make a bank transfer or send the payment through PayPal that is outside the site. I don't do anything here on my dashboard to process the payment. In that case, the plugin itself wouldn't be able to record the payment because it didn't happen on my dashboard, it didn't happen on my site. So I'm going to have to go to YITH Multi-Vendor, Commissions, and then I'm going to have to mark that commission I just paid as paid manually. Instead of doing that, there's a much easier solution to pay the vendor's commissions. You can do it automatically if you have one of our plugins installed, YITH Stripe Connect for WooCommerce or YITH PayPal Payouts for WooCommerce. We're going to show you how to pay commissions automatically with YITH Stripe Connect for WooCommerce. First of all, I already installed my Stripe Connect plugin. As you can see right here, I installed it, it is active right now, and I already configured the plugin, okay? You need to configure this plugin first, Stripe Connect. After you have everything set up, you're going to go ahead and go to Commissions, Gateways, Stripe Connect, and we're going to activate the plugin right here. Great. So now that it's active, I'm going to go over to Commission Settings, and right here, the last option is Pay Commissions to Vendors during checkout. I'm going to enable this. And then below, I'm going to get a new option to select the gateway that I want to use to make that payment. So I'm going to select Stripe Connect. This way, when users place the order on the checkout page, the payment is going to be divided between the vendor and the admin, that is myself in this case, taking into account, of course, the commission set. Save options. And that's it. Commissions are going to be processed automatically on your site. So every new order that is processed is going to use this payment gateway to divide the payment and pay vendors automatically. So you won't need to go to commissions to mark them as paid. Each new commission is going to have the paid status automatically. That is, of course, as long as that commission was processed successfully and as long as the vendor has a Stripe account connected. That is very important in order to pay commissions using this Stripe Connect gateway, okay? If vendors want to connect their Stripe account, they can go over to their dashboard. This is the vendor dashboard, and here's a message that lets vendors know they can now get commissions paid with Stripe. They can either click here to connect their Stripe accounts or go to your shop, payment info, and click right here to connect with Stripe. And that's it. That's how easy it is to pay commissions with our plugins. Okay guys, that's how you can pay your vendors commissions automatically. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and we'll meet again for our next video.